This is Dalkey in Ireland, on the southern outskirts of Dublin, and this was an industrial hive of activity in the early 1840s, because this is where experiments were conducted as a result of the invention of the atmospheric railway. Brunel witnessed some of the experiments in wormwood scrubs in London, and he came here 3 times around 1843 in the autumn and winters to look at the train. It was running from Dun Laoghaire, which that sign says there's 2.4 kilometres away, and the train brought passengers here within 3 minutes using atmospheric traction. There was a pipe between the rails, and in front of the piston the pipe was emptied of air from a pumping station here at Dalkey, at the highest point of the track. And in front of us here we've got Atmospheric Road, and this was the site of the station. And we'll turn the camera to the right, keep panning the camera, you'll see the wall behind the white van, and that was the enclosure for the railway track. And looking into this garden, this was the site of the pumping house. And all the engineers from the Great Western Railway, plus other companies such as the Stephensons, they came here and they were not impressed with the new invention. But Brunel was, and he had the confidence to take an embryonic invention, an idea, and transform it to world class, such as the Archimedes screw and the iron hull of a ship to build the Great Britain. But on this occasion, his development proved to be disastrous. And it all started here in Dalkey, north of the country's 3 railways that Brunel had built.